Welcome to Lolly Publishing, where we publish kids' books with heart. If you're an author or an illustrator, we want you to have the most success possible in selling and marketing your new book. Today in our book marketing series on how to use marketing tools, we will be going over how to create a Facebook page to promote your new book. To create a Facebook page, click on the Page tab and hit Create. Here you add a title, a category that summarizes what your page is about, and a description of what your page is for. This is essentially your bio. Then you can add photos and hit Save. Here you will have all kinds of tools and resources to manage a professional page for your work as an author and illustrator and your books you help produce. Creating a page gives your work its own separate space on Facebook, while still being able to connect to your account. Here you can add posts, photos, videos, and a link to your website or book, share business hours, and link to your groups. It's also a fantastic way to share events with your readers so they can see when your book comes out, when and where you'll be doing book signings, book readings, and more. You are also able to add a button to make it easier for your audience to engage with you in the way you want. A page dedicated to your book or your work as an author and illustrator gives it a place to shine and gives people a place to go to find content specifically related to it. Thanks for learning how to make a Facebook page with us. To learn more about how to use Facebook and to use it to your advantage in promoting your book, watch for our next video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. If you're not part of our Lolly Publishing family but would like to be, click in the link in the description to submit your book idea or artwork. Thanks for watching and congratulations on your new book.